If you're using creatine and not seeing results, it might not be the supplement. It might be how you're using it. And worse, a few common mistakes could be putting unnecessary stress on your body without you even realizing it. I'm Fitt from the Health and Wellness team at UbiHealth. As one of the AI faces of Ubi's global network of over 1,200 medical providers and backed by insights from more than 12 million users, I'm here to help you separate fact from fiction, especially when it comes to sports medicine, fitness, and conditioning. With so much misinformation floating around online, it's more important than ever to get doctor-approved info you can actually trust. And that's exactly what you're getting, right here, from UbiHealth. Today we're talking about creatine, the most researched and effective supplement for gaining lean muscle and boosting performance. But here's the thing, it only works if you're using it properly. So let's walk through the top science-backed tips and common mistakes that could be making your creatine and your money go straight down the drain. Let's start with hydration. Creatine pulls water into your muscle cells to help with recovery and growth, a process called cell volumization. But if you don't increase your water intake, your body could shift fluid away from other systems. That's when you start to feel the side effects like sluggishness, cramps, or even headaches. I always recommend my clients bump their water intake by at least 16 to 34 ounces per day when starting creatine. A good rule of thumb? Check the color of your urine. Light yellow or clear means you're on track. Next, don't take creatine on an empty stomach. Creatine gets absorbed more efficiently when paired with carbs. Think a banana, a slice of white bread, or even a glass of grape juice. Carbs trigger insulin, which helps shuttle creatine into your muscle tissue faster. Plus, taking it with food helps avoid that queasy stomach feeling that so many of us get when we take creatine solo. I learned that the hard way when I used to mix it in my pre-workout fasted and paid for it in the middle of squats. Not fun. Another big one. Consistency. Creatine is not a stim. It's not giving you a boost right after you take it. You have to take it every single day, even on rest days. That's how your muscles become fully saturated, typically after about 2 to 4 weeks. I always tell clients, creatine is like brushing your teeth. One missed day doesn't ruin everything, but staying consistent is what gives you the benefit. And when it comes to picking out a supplement, don't skimp on quality just to save a few bucks. Stick with brands that offer pure creatine monohydrate. Look for the Crepure label or third-party testing seals. Cheaper options often contain fillers, impurities, or even heavy metals. Plus, low-quality creatine doesn't dissolve well, which can cause digestive issues. Speaking of dissolving, don't toss creatine into your thick protein shake and expect great results. It's best absorbed in water at room temperature. Thick shakes or acidic juices can actually cause it to degrade into creatinine, which your body can't use. My go-to? Mix it with a glass of water, stir well, and drink it right away. Keep it simple. Dosing also matters. Taking more than needed won't get you gains faster. It'll just get flushed out. For most people, 3 to 5 grams a day is the sweet spot. If you're on the heavier side or lifting intensely, you might bump that up to 5 to 7 grams. Some people like to load creatine with 20 grams per day for a week, but if you're new to it, I recommend just starting with a steady maintenance approach. And let's address the elephant in the room, creatine and hair loss. Despite the rumors, there is no solid scientific evidence that creatine causes hair loss. That myth likely came from a small, misinterpreted study. The overall body of research confirms creatine is safe and effective when taken properly. Finally, and this is a big one, listen to your body. Creatine is generally safe, but everyone reacts differently. Journal your experience, and if you notice unusual swelling, cramping, or gut issues, adjust your water intake or dosing. And yes, talk to a healthcare provider before starting creatine if you have any health conditions, especially kidney concerns. Worried about your own health? Start by checking in with the Ubi Symptom Checker at ubihealth.com. Its medical-grade, doctor-approved AI is like having a full on-call healthcare team right in your pocket, always 100% free. And don't forget to like and follow for more doctor-approved info you can trust. From all of us here at UbiHealth.